Well, I was fooling around with my little motor the other day, and I accidentally found out a way to check for a bad lifter, and I found a bad lifter. This thing supposedly had low oil pressure, and they didn't know why. So I was just going around my rocker arms. You're gonna look right here. They have a little hole in it where they oil through the push rod tubes, and I'd went around with my oil can, and I was pumping oil in these holes, and it would only hold a pump or two, and it would either spit back out at me, or that's all it would hold. And then I got around to one certain rocker arm over there, and I started pumping, and it just kept a holding oil. And I thought, well, where's that oil going? And I took my intake off, and that one lifter had a pool of oil around it. And I took it out, and the cup in it was all busted up. And that's where their oil pressure was going. And I would have never found that bad cup in that lifter if I hadn't have been going around squirting oil in these holes. But it would kind of spit back out at me. It would hold maybe a couple pumps. Do you hear it spit? Watch this. See, it spits back out at you? They all spit back out at me except for one. And it just kept holding oil. So that made me take the intake off. But anyway, I had extra lifters, so I put a new lifter in it, and then I pumped, and it done the same as the rest of them. It spit oil back at me. So if I hadn't been fiddling around squirting oil down these little holes, I wouldn't have found that bad lifter, and that's where the oil pressure was going. Now that I got that new lifter in there, the oil pressure is back up to normal when I put a drill on it. So anyways, I accidentally found a way to check for a bad lifter. If you got low oil pressure, and you oil through the push rod tubes, go around and squirt oil in each one of the holes, and if it won't hold pressure and it just keeps taking oil, that may be a bad sign.